Samsung A12 charging port replacement. Open the bag carefully. Open these screws. This charging port need to replace because the microphone is on it. If you replace the charging port, microphone will start work. Unplug this cable. Take this board out. Now put the new charging port and connect this wire. Put the new charging port and connect to both wires. Put this back here. Close the screws. Close all screws. Connect this wire here. Put the SIM card in and check the mic. Attach it with the call. Yeah, and the microphone is working. Job done.